so quietly, coffee cups and empty seats. Rain is tapping on the glass, let the moment so it pass. Keys are playing soft and low, thoughts are drifting where they go. Nothing asking me to run, just another gentle one. Still raining here, the sound stays near. I'm not alone, just on my own. Still raining here, the air is clear. I'm working slow and letting go. Morning light to cloudy skies, call for steam is slowly rising. Pages awake, the world is quiet, just the rain and me inside. No one's calling my name, no wish, no time to chase. Only thoughts that drift away with every drop that falls again. Rain on the window, soft piano low. I'm working alone, but I'm not lonely. The world moves slow here in this cafe glow. I let the hours go quietly. Keys are tapping to the sound, footsteps fade into the ground. Outside streets are washed in gray, inside feels like yesterday. Breathing out, let the silence stay around. Every word, it feels so small. When I hear the rain fall, rain on the window, soft piano low. I'm working alone, but I'm not lonely. The world moves so here in this cafe glow. I let the hours go quietly. Only for words will need to know when this moment wants to go. I'll stay right here, the time passed through, like rain that always knows what to do. Rain on the window, jazz in my soul, a simple gay, a gentle story. I'm here, a focused time, let him go, just me, my work and morning cloudy. Rain keeps falling, I keep breathing.